Hello everyone, Andrew here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you another traffic exchange site that I use to advertise my referral link. And this site is called Bitcoin Ad Exchange. Actually, it's World Profits Bitcoin Ad Exchange, but we get into that. Before we do though, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also hit that like button and notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. Now, this is what the login page looks like, and this is a site, a traffic exchange site owned by the same person that owns worldprofit.com, which is who is George Koch, sorry. And this is, shall we say, one of the branches of worldprofit.com, one of many other traffic exchange sites they own. Okay, so let me just log in to my account and see how it looks like. Okay, this is the recommendation. You can skip it right away. Just click here and you have to wait 5 seconds for the sponsor ad. And then you can scroll and explore what this ad is all about. And then you can click here, log into Bitcoin Ad Exchange members area. And this is how it looks like. Now, this is basically an advertising platform. Also, you can make money through affiliate commissions, but there are some different features that you can use to advertise, such as banner ads, text ads, login ads, email ads, and full page ads, etc. Okay, so let's just take a look at all of that. As you can see on the left side is the left menu. Here you will find all the features, and if you already use traffic exchange sites, probably this looks a little bit different, but it's basically the same. Okay, so if you are a beginner, you can just start here. This is the starting page. This is how you can earn credits in order to use them to advertise your own referral links. And you can earn credits by surfing sites. Just click here and it will take you to this page. Now I'm earning 200 credits for each page because I'm a lifetime VIP member. Okay, but you as a free member will earn less, and I can't remember now. I'm not sure how many credits you will earn. However, that's the surfing page. You just click here. It will surf the page for 10 seconds. For me, for you probably will be a little bit more, and then you can earn credits, accumulate them, use them for advertising your own URLs. The other way to earn credits is by viewing ads for credits. Just click here and then these banners here will appear. Now I have 122,800 credits because, like I said, I'm a lifetime VIP member, and all you have to do is just click on these banners. Another tab will open sorry, and I don't have any timer. I can close it right away. I can refresh the page, and I've already earned 100 credits, but that's because of my membership. You as a free member, probably you will have a 5 seconds timer. All you have to do after done this page, you just have to refresh and other ads will appear. Okay, also when it's your first time signing up on this site, Bitcoin Ad Exchange, you will have also a viral ad code that will give you some extra credits just to get started. Now, once you have accumulated all the credits that you need, let's use them to advertise. And if you scroll down to the left menu, this is the advertising area. So you can purchase lifetime banner ads, and you can purchase by two ways, either paying with cash, with dollars, US dollars, or using credits. Okay, now since I have a lot of credits, I'm gonna go ahead and purchase one banner so you see how it looks like. Purchase using your credits. Let's just click here. Okay, and sorry about the dog if you can hear that, my neighbors. Okay, thank you for purchasing a lifetime banner. Click here to set it up. Okay, now all you have to do is give it a title, a name, make something that will attract attention, so let me just create it. I'm gonna promote leads, lead profits. Let's just go to marketing tools. And by the way, if you don't know leads, lead profits, I'm gonna leave a link in the description. I already have some videos about it, so let me just copy my referral link first. Okay, targeted URL here, and here you should put the image URL, the banner URL. I'm going to use this banner. Actually, everyone should use this banner with this 468 by 60 with these dimensions. All right, so let's just right click here and copy image address, go here, paste it, and to be sure you can preview your banner. Okay, click on it to see if it gets to the targeted URL. That's perfect. All right, just there you go, it's correct. So all you have to do is click save, and that's it, simple as that. There goes the banner. So you can buy also banners with a limited number of views, of impressions, or you can buy text links ad, again using credits or using cash, but I'm not gonna go through this again. It's the same procedure. All you have to do is click here, and you have to set it up after that. Just the targeted URL and a subject line, a title, something catchy. Okay, also you can buy login ads, and since I have a lot of credits, again I can purchase a login ad with 1,000 views for only 20,000 credits. Let's just do that again. There you go, thank you for purchasing. Click here to set it up. Okay, now let's go again to leads, lead profits. Okay, the title is recognizable, so let's go here and copy this email right here. All you have to do is click here, Control A, Control C, go here, click here, Control V, and that's it. Okay, or if you want, you can write it manually depending on what you are promoting. I copy paste it on the marketing tools page from leads, lead profits, and I'm just gonna go ahead and save it. And there you go, your login ad has been set up and has been placed in the queue for approval. Okay, so as you can see, I have now 76,000 credits out of 122,000, right? So another way to advertise, and this is a very efficient way, is buy full page surf ad. Okay, again the same procedure, 1,000 views, 70,000 credits, or $12. I'm not gonna do that again. And once you have done also setting up your advertisement, then you can start promote this site if you feel that it is for you, it's bringing you real traffic. For me it has worked so far, but what you want to do to promote this is go to affiliate tools, and here you can find your affiliate link or your splash page, etc. Banners, of course. Now, the reason why I decided to record, the main reason actually why I decided to record the video on this site was because of this number here. Now, I've been using Traffic Exchange for sites for over a year now, and I've had accounts on a lot of them, trust me. And a lot of Traffic Exchange sites brag about how many members they have, but I think that the number is not important when half or even more of them don't even log in at all. They just have an account and that's it, never logged in again. So this site might have a lot more members, but the important thing is that this site has more than 3,000 active members. Alright, so that's why I think that it's worth taking a look. It's 100% free to join. I'm gonna leave my referral link in the description of this video. And again, after a while you can check your stats just by clicking this button here. It will take you to this page, and you can see this is the last banner, the lifetime banner that I just purchased. And here you can see some statistics. I already have some other advertising goods available without spending any credits. I'm gonna get right into that. I have 12 text link ads one login ad. I'm gonna set it up a little bit later. So this is it for today's video, guys. I'm gonna leave my referral link in the description of this one. You can join it. It's 100% free to join, and just give it a try. Okay, you will earn some extra credits if it is your first time signing up as a bonus. Okay, just give it a try. The important thing is that you have more than 3,000 active members ready to see your website, or to watch your video, or to see whatever you are promoting. Okay, so thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd appreciate it. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Cheers.